If you are currently looking at a MacBook Pro or the latest M4 iPad Pro, I have one word for you, and that word is stop. Because the leaked data we just received regarding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra doesn't just suggest a minor spec bump, it suggests a total industry takeover. We are talking about a device that has finally figured out how to remove the notch, double the RAM of most professional laptops, and introduce a cooling system that makes current tablets look like toys. Today at TechVibe we are deep diving into the definitive leaks of the S12 Ultra, and trust me, you will want to see the new Neuralex feature we reveal toward the end of this video because it changes everything we know about mobile productivity. For years Samsung fans have had one major complaint about the Ultra series, and that was the notch. It was the one compromise we had to live with while the rest of the world moved toward total immersion. But for 2026, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is officially moving to a Generation 3 under-display camera. This means a completely edge-to-edge 14.6-inch canvas with zero interruptions. But the screen isn't just bigger, it is significantly smarter. Samsung is implementing a Tandem OLED panel pushed to a staggering 3000 nits of peak brightness. Whether you are working under the direct sun or in a dimly lit studio, the color accuracy here is targeting the full 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. And for those who hated the fingerprints and glare, the S12 Ultra is expected to feature an improved version of the Gorilla Glass armor, making the display look like printed paper while maintaining the responsiveness we expect from a flagship. Samsung is also following the premium trend set by its smartphone flagships by ditching the armor aluminum in favor of a Grade 5 titanium chassis. This isn't just about the premium feel, it is about the physics of weight. A tablet this size can be cumbersome, but by using titanium, Samsung is looking to shave off nearly 10% of the weight while actually increasing the structural rigidity. This is a massive move for professionals who carry these devices to meetings and coffee shops, because a lighter, more durable frame is a non-negotiable selling point in the modern era. Plus, we are looking at an IP68 rating that actually means something, ensuring this is a device you can take anywhere without breaking a sweat. Under the hood, the Tab S12 Ultra is reportedly returning to its roots with a custom-tuned Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. Early benchmarks for this 3nm chip are terrifying, showing multi-core scores that rival desktop processors with a specific focus on neural processing. But the real shocker is the RAM. Sources indicate a top-tier configuration of 24GB of RAM. That is more memory than the base models of most high-end laptops. Why so much memory in a tablet? Because of Galaxy AI 3.0. Samsung is moving away from cloud-based AI and bringing the processing on device. This means instant translation, real-time video upscaling, and complex photo editing without needing an internet connection. The S Pen has always been the secret weapon of this lineup, and for the S12 Ultra we are expecting the S Pen Pro 3. The latency is dropping to a near-instant 1.2 milliseconds, but the real upgrade is the haptic engine. The pen will now provide subtle vibrations to mimic the feeling of different textures, like pencil on paper or a brush on canvas. To power all this, Samsung is sticking with a massive 11,600 mAh battery, but the charging speed is finally getting the upgrade we have begged for. We are looking at 80-watt ultra-fast charging, which means going from 0 to 50% in under 25 minutes. But the biggest update is undoubtedly Neuralex. This is where Samsung finally bridges the gap between Android and a real computer. Neuralex uses that massive RAM to run a virtualized desktop environment that can handle desktop-grade applications. We are talking about rumors of a partnership with Adobe to bring full versions of their software to the Tab S12 Ultra. Imagine a device that detects when it is docked to a keyboard and automatically optimizes the UI using AI to mimic your specific workflow. It learns which apps you use together and preloads them in the background. It is not just a tablet anymore, it is an intelligent workstation. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is not just another RLY update, it is a declaration of war on the traditional laptop. Based on production cycles, we are looking at a late 2026 release. In terms of pricing, excellence is never cheap. Expect the base model to start around $1,299, with the high-end editions potentially hitting much higher. It is a premium price, but when you consider it replaces both your tablet and your laptop, the value proposition starts to make sense. The real question is whether this is enough to make you switch, or if you are sticking with your current setup. Let me know in the comments below, because I will be jumping in to reply to the best theories. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to TechVibe for the latest on the S26 series and everything else in the world of high-end tech. I will see you in the next one.